Hey guys, since we can't do Fortnite videos yet, we're gonna do like Minecraft videos. So this is the part 2. It's not really a tour. It's just getting ready for a big war thing. So basically, I forgot to show you my new house. So it'll be my new tour of the house. Wait, let me go to bed real quick, so there's not like mobs. I gotta be cautious because I know there's a ton of random creepers in the house. Oh no, I have to kill a creeper. There's one in there. Oh my god, I really don't want to do this. Come here. No, no! Oh. I always hate killing creepers. More monsters? Are there some at the top of the house? No. Oh, yep. This is probably the one. Oh, there we go. Now we can go to bed, I think. Come on, dude. Is there a spider at the top of the house? Oh yeah, I'm just gonna cheat. I don't really care. I just want to show you the new house. Let's get my fireworks. Oh, it was these guys, I think. Ow. I think. Yeah, it was those guys, I think. So I'm gonna give you a tour of the house. So yeah, this is the main room, not the main room actually. This is the start room, you go in there and then you go in here. These are the stairs going up, these are all the storage stuff, I don't have much in there yet. Anything actually. There's this part. Wait, I'll show you. I was deciding because there's no way to get back up yet. So, yeah, it's just a mine. What? Oh, it's because of that. Wait, so I'm just going to fly back up. I'll just show you in creative, because it's still like a work in progress. And there's still some stuff like that where you can't get up yet. So I'll tell you about the army in a little bit after this house tour. You can like skip ahead or something. This is all the farm stuff, so there's all the crops, sugar cane, and then the sheep and the cows. So we got our 2 dogs up here. Comment what I should name them. We got all these blast furnaces. My room, I like just placed the bed because I didn't really like go to sleep before. There was a ton of, what are they called? I don't know, but they're like things where you can't sleep. If you don't sleep in 3 days, they fly and come to get you. I forgot what they're called. But yeah, there's that part. There's the cave or the mine. Did I show you this part yet? Yeah, I have the blast furnace room, and that's it. So about the army. My brother plays in this world too, and we're gonna have a dog army. We're just gonna like breed a ton of dogs, and then when we're finished, we're gonna go into survival, hit each other, and then every single dog is just gonna attack every one, and it's just gonna be chaos. And let's see who wins. So I'm gonna go ahead and breed these 2 right now. No! Breed. Don't they have to get close to each other? Oh, yeah, they do. Do it. Do it. Can they not do it sitting down? Oh, that's the problem. There they go. They kiss. It's a baby. Oh. Oh my god. How about we just like make them into an adult? Wait. There we go. Now we got 3 dogs. We can... No, eat. Why won't you eat right now? Are you full? Can they get full? I don't know. But we're gonna build a big army of dogs. This is my brother's base. Let me fly over there real quick. Let's see. Here he is. So I helped them build most of this house. There's that lava spot. I don't know if like... No! Dog! Okay, follow me. Oh my god. Every single one, dude. I forgot to make them sit. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. You were good when you stayed. I don't know if you teleported, actually. No, you were the good boy that stayed. Probably because you were sitting down. But yeah. Dang, it's so hard to move you guys. Where's the other one? I gotta fix that. Frick. I'll just do that stuff later. Where's the other one? Oh, he was there. Sit. So I have an idea where I'm gonna bring them all. Oh yeah, I gotta show you this piece first. So he did a thing where, because he didn't like check it, where you can't go on there. So I'm just gonna have to break 1 block. Wait, let me do something. I'll just have to break 1 block. What? Yeah. That was my dad. So this is his bedroom. I was originally gonna live here with, well, he was gonna live with me, I should say, because I built it. And so we have 2 beds there. That's his room, furnace room. This is the chest room. Alright, that's kind of it. Yeah, that's kind of it. Oh wait, I forgot to show you. This is where all the dogs are gonna be. I've decided that the dog army is gonna be in here. I don't know if I'll have to make it bigger. But yeah. So the dog army is just gonna, yeah, it's all gonna be in there. And yeah, so that's kind of it. That's just a new thing, a little new check-up on what's happening in the survival world. I'm gonna be making more Minecraft worlds like this. Not Minecraft worlds, videos, because I can't play Fortnite, because I don't understand that stuff yet. So I'm gonna do a survival world tomorrow. Like a new one. Maybe tomorrow, if I can fit it in the day, because I have school tomorrow. After school, maybe. But yeah, why I'm not uploading it also is because I have school. And that's it.